Let's talk about how to back prime. Back priming is a very useful nursing skill when you have a secondary infusion hanging and you need to get the fluid back up into the drip chamber. A lot of times when nurses hang antibiotics or electrolytes or any other intermittent infusions, they will set up a primary and secondary line to infuse these medications. For example, maybe you have your primary fluids running at, let's say it's NS at 100 mils per hour, and then you want to give a potassium infusion that's just going to run over an hour. So you're programming your pump to run your potassium over an hour, and then it'll automatically switch back to your IV fluids of NS at 100. But you'll notice when you go to hang your next bag of potassium or antibiotics or whatever it is, that in the secondary IV tubing, there's a bunch of air. The fluid might be about like right here or so. So all you have to do to back prime is take your top infusion, your secondary infusion, and hang it lower than the primary infusion. And the NS that is in your primary will backflow into the secondary line. This will get rid of all the air, and then you can go ahead and hang your next infusion. However, you need to make sure that whatever medication you are hanging is compatible with whatever was hanging prior. For example, if you had potassium infusing and then next you want to hang maybe like ceftriaxone or something, you need to check the compatibility of those two medications, or you need to make sure you back prime enough fluids into this chamber to make sure that all of that medication is gone. And that's back priming. Let me know if you have any more questions.